Hello, everybody, and this is Brijesh from Masterstroke. Today is 27th November, 6 p.m. Saturday, and the topic today is the secret of selling high amount SWPs, how to sell more SWPs, systematic withdrawal plans, the secret to selling high value SWPs. And I will give you a small presentation, and then I will give you a live demo of 2-3 calculators, how you can convince your customer by selling for high value SIPs. What is the concept that you should use? I agree with you, Nitin. You have a valid point, and I respect that. Yeah, I fully agree with you. Okay, so let's begin. The secret of selling big ticket SWPs. Please understand, equity is good, but debt is a bigger AUM driver than equity. World over, equity has 20% of world's asset, debt has 80% of world asset in terms of debt equity. Okay, so mutual fund industry, 35 lakh crores, 2/3 is into debt, 66 to 70% is into debt, and only 30% is into equity. Please understand. But for a mutual fund distributor, ulta hai. You have 80% of your AUM in equity and 20% in debt, and that is why you are struggling. You are not selling debt. You're not selling debt. SWP is mostly a debt product process. Why I write mostly? Because you can also do from balanced advantage fund, which I don't recommend, but you can. You should have a mix of debt and balanced advantage fund. This is my solution. But mostly SWP is a debt oriented product. अभी आज बाजार गिर गया, किसी क्लाइंट के पास आप 25 लाख का चेक मांगेंगे तो क्या वो देगा? नहीं देगा, नहीं देगा. लेकिन किसी क्लाइंट को बोलेंगे 2 करोड़ रुपए का इन्वेस्टमेंट करो डेट फंड में, मार्केट से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, शायद दे देगा. He can give. So sell debt. Why clients need SWP? Because 99 का चक्कर है. Insecurity है लाइफ में कि कल क्या होगा. What will happen tomorrow? So people want to safeguard their future. They need guarantee for their old age. They want solution. They want to ensure that 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh रुपए की महीने की इनकम मेरी फिक्स हो जाएगी. If you sell this solution to the client, you will become one of the largest in the country. मैं आपको एक solution देना चाहता हूँ, एक suggestion देना चाहता हूँ. आप म्यूचुअल फंड बेचना छोड़ दो. आप ये बोलना छोड़ दो कि आप इक्विटी बेचते हो, डेट बेचते हो, एक्स बेचते हो, वाई बेचते हो. आप बोलो कि मैं रिटायरमेंट के लिए इनसिक्योरिटी को सिक्योरिटी में कन्वर्ट करता हूं. जो भी आपको वर्ड यूज करना, आप बोलो मैं रिटायरमेंट इनकम की प्लानिंग करता हूं, सब्जेक्ट टू सेबी रेगुलेशन, जो भी आप आर्टिकुलेट जिस तरह से करना चाहते हो, कॉन्सेप्ट ये है. आप ये बोलो कि मैं एसडब्ल्यूपी बेचता हूं. सारा प्रोडक्ट छोड़ दो, एसआईपी बेचना छोड़ दो, एसटीपी छोड़ दो, लिक्विड फंड छोड़ दो. स्टॉप सेलिंग म्यूचुअल फंड्स, स्टार्ट सेलिंग ओनली एसडब्ल्यूपीज. And if you start selling only SWP, महीने का 2 SWP बेचेंगे, 2 करोड़ रुपए का सेल मिलेगा आपको. साल का 25 करोड़ रुपए का SWP बेच लेंगे आप. अभी आपका फोकस 10 जगह है, इसलिए आपका बिजनेस महीने का 25 लाख रुपया होता है, 50 लाख होता है. एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं आपको. सो ये इनसिक्योरिटी को आप क्लाइंट की दूर करो, और ये SWP से कर सकते हैं आप. प्लीज राइट मी इन द चैट बॉक्स इफ यू एग्री विद my view. Some people are writing not English, some people are writing English, so I will try to keep a mix and match. I'm sorry for that. Only Hindi, so I will do Hindi, English. There are no good alternatives available. Fixed deposit 4-5%. Other options are not liquid. They have high taxation. Yeah, so why? This is the reason why clients need SWP. Who are the audience of SWP? SWP का audience कौन है? And you will be surprised to know this. Retired people, the answer is yes. Answer is yes. And somebody is saying that debt is not beating inflation. But forget about inflation. Why are you concerned with inflation? Client is not concerned with inflation. Client is interested in preserving their wealth. If they get 0.5% less or more, they're okay. But just to beat inflation, if you sell the entire money into equity, that is also risky. And you are concerned with inflation, I understand. But if the client is not giving you money and they are chupke se investing somewhere else which is not beating inflation, you are losing, client is losing, everybody is losing. So at least let the money come to you and give a good solution to the client for a better post-tax returns. Exactly, Pranesh. So debt fund is not beating inflation. That is today. It will not happen always. Today is a situation where inflation and debt returns are more or less same. But historically, if you see, debt fund return is 1% or 2% more than inflation in the country. Generally, today is a different situation. Target audience is again soon retiring. People who are retiring very soon is an audience for SWP. The biggest audience for any financial product, I think, is SWP. You can sell it to people who are 60 years of age. You can sell it to people who are 50 or 55 years of age who are soon retiring. And you can sell it to young investors who want retirement planning in advance. You can sell a SWP plan to a 30-year-old person saying that आज SIP करो, कल SWP करना. वो भी SWP planning चालू हो गई आपकी. Start selling SWP. Virtually everyone on the planet is your client for SWP. What happens when you sell SWP? When you sell the concept of SWP, 90% of the people will not use SWP. They will just plan it. But you get the AUM. The client has the security. The problem is solved. You make money. The client is making money. He has peace of mind. And 30-year-old people, 40-year-old people, 50-year-old people whom you sell SWP plan at 60 will not withdraw the money because they will have enough at 60. It is only their insecurity because of which they want to plan. So you have to educate the client talking about this. Why SWP versus, give me a moment. Deferred taxation, lower taxation, possibility of higher returns and flexibility. These are the benefit of SWP. आपको टैक्स लगता नहीं जब तक आप विड्रॉ नहीं कर रहे, और लगता भी है तो कैपिटल गेन के साथ लगता है. So taxation is lower. If you give a combination of debt and balanced fund, the returns are higher as compared to any other retirement solution products. And the client has the flexibility to increase or decrease the amount, withdraw at any point of time, put it to better use, whatever. All flexibility, you know, in mutual funds is there. Let me give you a few ideas. And this is a revolutionary idea I want to give you. Try to match SWP book with SIP book. And when I say this, I mean, अगर आपके पास 1 करोड़ की SIP बुक है ना, तो 1 करोड़ की SWP बुक बनाओ. आप सोचोगे 1 करोड़ लेके आ रहे हैं, 1 करोड़ जा रहा है, तो फायदा क्या हुआ? पैसा तो निकल गया. नो, 1 करोड़ की SIP बुक से आपको साल के 12 करोड़ रुपए मिलते हैं, और 1 करोड़ की SIP बुक बनाने में आपको 10-15 साल लग जाते हैं. जब आप 1 करोड़ की SWP बुक बनाएंगे ना, तो आपके पास 200 करोड़ का यूम हो जाएगा. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. सो SIP से 1 करोड़ की बुक बनाने के बाद आपका 10 साल बाद 200 करोड़ का यूम होने वाला, 15 साल बाद 200 करोड़ का यूम होने वाला. You know, from day 1 to 15 years it will take from SIP. From SWP you can do it in 3 year, 4 year, 5 year time. तो आप अपनी SWP बुक और SIP बुक को सोचो कि कितना पैसा क्लाइंट मेरे को महीने का दे रहा है और कितना पैसा मैं क्लाइंट को दे रहा हूं. अगर नहीं भी दे रहा हूं तो कम से कम इतने की प्लानिंग मैंने कर दी. 1 करोड़ रुपया SWP की बुक फ्यूचर में हो जाए, ये सोच करके आप बिजनेस चालू करो. The best plan of selling SWP, the best way is to do SIP today, SWP tomorrow. ICICI has a brilliant concept on this, freedom SIP or something like that they have called. You do SIP today and then you do SWP tomorrow. You have bundled the product together. In Masterstroke, I will show you the demo of that calculator also today. कि आप एक ही कैलकुलेटर में, एक ही प्रेजेंटेशन में दिखा सकते हैं कि 20,000 की SIP करो 20 साल बाद और X अमाउंट लाइफ लॉन्ग आप SWP से विड्रॉ करो. Brilliant concept of selling high value SWPs. Brilliant concept of selling high value SWP. SIP today, SWP tomorrow. मैं आपको ये कहना चाहता हूं, if you stop selling everything and only sell SIP today, SWP tomorrow, you will become one of the largest mutual fund distributors in the country. Promote inflation adjusted SWPs. It will help you sell more. Don't say the client की 50,000 महीने का देंगे. उसको बोलो 50,000 महीने का देने से लेटर से 1 करोड़ रुपए का फंड चाहिए. Tell him that after 1 year you need more. After 5 years you will need 75,000. After 10 years you will need 1 lakh. So you should plan in such a way that it should be inflation adjusted SWP. So the input value of SIP will be more, and the corpus of SWP will be higher, and so you can sell bigger portfolios. मैंने अपने लाइफ में देखा है दोस्तों, जब मैं क्लाइंट के पास जाता हूं and I ask for SIP, Many of them will say, how much SIP should I do? And we tell them the SIP thinking about my income, which is low. The client income is very high. And I tell them do 25,000. They will give me 20,000. The same type of client, if I ask 50,000, they will give me 40,000. And if I say 2 lakh, they will give me 1,50,000. So my point is, quote higher figure, give higher proposals. In SWP, don't give 25 lakh rupees proposal, give 2 crore proposal, give 5 crore proposals. Tell him that you should withdraw 5 lakh rupees at the age of 60 years, and this is how much you have to invest. If he says, I can't afford it, start lower, but don't start with a smaller number, start with a bigger number. Most of the time, you will be able to sell high tickets. And why SWP is good for investors? Convenience and flexibility, tax efficient, possibility of higher returns, diversification, and liquidity. These are the options. And for MFDs, SWP is a debt product, reducing interest rates, driving people to SWP. So it will be easier for you to sell the concept of SWP to people. Big market for SWPs, bigger ticket size. Our members are only calling us and telling us that we are getting 50 lakhs, 1 crore, 1.5 crores checks, single checks for SWP using our calculators. Sticky asset. When you do SWP, people are not looking at the markets because SWP is a debt and balance combination generally. Volatility is low, so it's a sticky asset. I will go to the previous slide after this. Less monitoring and servicing required. और मैं अपने webinars में आपको हमेशा कहता हूँ, हीरो होंडा की तरफ माल बेचो, fill it, shut it, forget it, passive management करो, उससे आपका समय कम लगता है. You can do the business of 1,000 crores in 2 hours every day, and SWP doesn't require servicing and monitoring. एक बार डाल दिया, 6 महीने में एक बार देखने का. This is the previous slide. Investors get convenience and flexibility, tax efficient, possibility of higher returns, diversification, and liquidity. Okay. The right strategy for SWPs. SWP should always be done from a debt-oriented fund. This is my strategy. Always. Always. Never give SWP from balanced advantage or equity fund. Never. A part of the investment can be bet in balanced fund to act as a kicker in returns. Do it. But do not do SWP from balanced fund. And I will show you an example later. Use SWP rebalance calculator for that. Finally, quality presentation helps. The client should believe what you are talking about. Verbal communication se kaam nahi hota. You have to give them a professionally made report, proposal to the client. Okay, that will help you get more business. Why? आपने कभी सोचा है ये bankers जो होते हैं और बड़े mutual fund distributors जो होते हैं या company के जो national companies जो होती है उनके जो RMs होते हैं उनको ज्यादा business क्यों मिलता है? उनकी knowledge तो आपसे भी कम है. Because उनके presentations jazzy होते हैं, superb होते हैं. They use good softwares, and उससे client का confidence जमता है. And so use quality presentations with full details and disclaimer. I will give you a presentation of Masterstroke after this slide, and use Masterstroke to increase your sales for SWP. So options like with inflation, without inflation, with taxation, without taxation. It is humanly impossible to do these calculations in Excel. अगर कर भी सकेंगे तो एक दिन लग जाएगा एक रिपोर्ट बनाने में. So Masterstroke presentation calculators can help you sell more big ticket SWPs, and you can use your own presentation system. This program, of course, I will talk about Masterstroke, but people who are not members, I invite them to become a member. But the idea is to sell high value SWP, and I've given you ideas how to sell high value SWP. It is not compulsory for you to become our members, but if you become our members, it will definitely help you. I don't like to hard sell you that you have to become. And I will now give you some demo of how you can use Masterstroke presentations to sell high value SWPs. So you see, let's go to membership, client proposal. I will answer your questions after I finish my presentation. Go to this SWP tab. There are the 6 calculators right now. I will show you the simplest monthly SWP for SIP. This is the best to begin with. Equity savings fund is not okay for SWP. Use this calculator, monthly SWP for SIP. This is for young investors, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Up to 50 years of age, you can use this for SWP planning. Let's say you say a client that you start 20,000 rupees SIP. Let's say the age is 30 years and you start 20,000 rupees. Any client will start 20,000 rupees SIP and give the SIP period as 30 years, or let us say 20 years. And use deferment period. Tell the client, don't do SIP for 30 years. किसी को 30 साल की SIP करने का मन नहीं होता because उसको लगता है इतना साल पैसा दे पाएंगे नहीं दे पाएंगे. You give them a sweetener. When I say sweetener, tell them that start withdrawing from 60, but don't invest for 30 years, invest for 20 years. And give a deferment of 10 years. So 20 years of investment, 10 years of deferment, yani 30 plus 30, 60 years. And SWP period after 30 years, take another 30 years. Don't take 20 years. Take 30 years. Client will love that you are expecting client to live up to 90 years and you're giving him a presentation for 90 years. People will love it. In SIP, you can take the accumulation phase, let's say at 10%, and distribution phase you can take at 6%. And I will tell you reason why. Option 2, you can say 12% and 6.5%. You can also give them a figure that at the end of 90 years, you will also have, let's say, 2 crores as balance. And you can change this number. Include inflation? Yes. Inflation rate, 5%. Taxation? Yes. Taxation rate, indexation, 3% indexation means this is the government benefit that you get for long-term capital gain. I will not go into detail of this. As a member, you can ask and we will answer you. And you can add your dummy client name here. And you can suggest him. Write any scheme. For example, let's say HDFC medium-term fund. And let's say you offer him ICICI balanced advance. Oh, sorry. I have given you SIP right now. No? So let me delete this. You have to give him an SIP product. So let us say you give him an ICICI flexi cap fund. You choose any fund for that fund. And let's say you see a Mire focused fund because you're doing SIP for 20 years. The performance is here. Click calculate. The report is ready. And this report comes in your personal branding. Now, this is a professional report. If you send this report to your client, chances of conversion is high. Dalmia Wealth. So your name will come here and you can put in your logo. It says that if you do SIP of 20 years for 20,000, your corpus becomes 3 crore 75 lakh rupees at the age of 60 years. And if the return is 12%, the corpus becomes 5 crore 71 lakhs. And inflation adjusted first year as SWP from 20,000, it can grow 6 times to 1,20,000. And if the rate of return is 6.5%, your return can go up to 2 lakh rupees per month for the rest of your life, inflation adjusted. Yeah, SIP has to be in equity funds. Total withdrawal in 30 years time is almost 10 crores. And at 6.5%, it is 15 crores. So आप client को बोलो 20,000 की SIP दो 20 साल के लिए 15 करोड़ रुपया का withdrawal मिलेगा lifetime में आपको. He will not be able to comprehend what you're talking about, but these are real numbers. This is the power of a presentation. And then this is the chart कि अगर आप 20,000 की SIP करते हैं तो आपका 50 साल की SIP complete होने के बाद में 1 crore 83 lakhs, and then this money remains into a debt fund, which gives you 5 crore 71 lakhs in scenario 2. Now, there is a choice that you want to convert there after 50, you can convert into debt or balance, whatever. So calculator will have certain restrictions. And then this is a distribution phase. That from 61 years, you start withdrawing 1,21,000 at 6%. And if the rate of return is 6.5, which you can achieve by a debt and balanced portfolio, you can withdraw 2 lakh rupees per year. Next year, 2,10,000. 5 years later, 2,42,000. And at the age of 90, you will have 8 lakh rupees monthly withdrawal from 20,000 rupees per month as SIP from today. And if you give this proposal to any 30-year-old, I can guarantee you he will buy from you. and he will never withdraw from this money. And this is the annual tax and post-tax withdrawal. From SWP in the 61st year, on a 3.75 crore portfolio, his total tax payout is only 13,000 rupees in the first year. Yeah, you can consider to switch part of the debt, but that is after 30 years. We will see when it happens. A lot of things will change. This is just a presentation. So this is the inflation and taxation. Assume this report, and then you suggest that, Mr. Dummy Client, I will suggest you to start 10,000 rupees SIP in ICICI Flexi Cap and 10,000 in Mere Asset Focused Fund. And I think with this, you are on your way to having a fantastic golden years. What is your observation? And I will move to the other calculator now. I need your feedback on the chat box. Did you like it? Kaushik Gada is saying awesome. Fantastic. Wonderful. So this is one calculator. Let me show you two more calculators. You can give SWP rebalance calculator. This is awesome. This is for people who are retiring now, or maybe after 2-3 years. In SWP, for immediate SWP, this is the solution, Mr. Devan. SWP rebalance calculator, immediate annuity. Let's say the client age is 60 and he is willing to give you 1.5 crores. Okay. Give him a proposal of 1.5 crores. And you expect a return in the range of, let's say in the debt fund, you expect 5%, in balance fund, you expect 9%. So your average return, portfolio return is how much? Is debt fund, and you invest 50% in debt fund and 50% in balance fund. Your portfolio ROI is 7%. Now, if you try to make it 40%, it will not work. Because this calculator is a unique calculator and we have given certain restrictions so that you don't go very aggressive in planning SWP. Immediate SWP should not be very aggressive because अगर बाजार गिर जाता है तो client को SWP का पूरा पैसा ठीक से मिलेगा नहीं, नुकसान हो सकता है. So अगर आपको ये calculator use करना है, तो you have to give minimum 50% debt fund and maximum 50% balance fund. This is the ratio we suggest you. In this case, your portfolio return will be 7%, which is far higher than an expected fixed deposit or any other form of investment. There will be some volatility because of balance fund, but you understand that over 5, 10, 15, 20 years, this return is possible. And you decide that I will withdraw 6.5% per year. And you will leave 0.5% for growth. In this case, your monthly SWP will be 78,000. Annual will be 4,80,000. Let us say you choose annual. And then you decide you will do it for 20 years. This is the key thing of master stroke calculator, periodic rebalance period. You see, आपको हमेशा debt fund से पैसा withdraw करना है. और balance fund में जो 50% आपने लगाया, that should keep on growing. In 11 years, your debt fund will become 0. In 11 years. So you put a number 5 here. 5 साल में you will rebalance. No, I have not chosen half yearly. Okay, so let me say I will choose monthly here. You can choose any option for that. And then you click calculate. Download the report. By the way, you can also save the report here in the library and you can use it later. If you have any membership inquiry and if you are not a member, you can leave your name and mobile number on the chat box and my team will get in touch with you if in case you want to get the software. The cost is very, 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 very awesome, very small. So this shows that the portfolio return is 7%. Monthly SWP will be 78,000 expected. Total annuity almost 2 crores and closing value of 1.95 crores. तो क्लाइंट ने आपको 1.5 करोड़ दिया, आप क्लाइंट को 1.95 लाख वापस भी कर रहे हो और 7% का आपको टोटल रिटर्न भी आ रहा है और 6.5% की SWP कर रहे हैं आप. And this is how it works. First year में आपका 75 लाख डेट फंड में आपने डाला and 75 lakhs into balance funds. You see, in the second year, your debt fund is going down from 75 to 69. Why? Because आपने 9,47,000 withdraw कर लिया. This withdrawal is happening from debt fund. It is not happening from balance fund because balance fund से withdrawal करना सही नहीं रहता मेरे हिसाब से. So every year your debt fund value is going down, but your balance fund value is going up. What I have assumed here is that in 5 years, 4, 5 or 6 years, there will be a moment when markets will be doing fine and you will get 9% return in balanced fund. At that point of time, you switch 40 lakh rupees from balanced fund to debt fund. From 49 lakh rupees, your portfolio again becomes 82 lakh rupees. And you keep repeating this. And end of the day, your fund value becomes 1 crore 95 lakh rupees. This is a superb calculator. And I request some of the members who are using SWP rebalance calculator to please write yes in the chat box for others to know that this is helping you or not. Even 5 people writing yes will be very helpful. You see, Devraj is saying, Vipul Behan, Ashish Lakhmani, Girish Salubia, they're all saying they are using this calculator and very happy with this. Yes. Oh my God, there are 10, 20 people all. Oh my God, thank you. I think now it is almost 20, 30 people, 40 people saying yes. So this is the second calculator of selling high value SWPs. Because of beautiful presentation, you can sell such kind of thing. Now I'll show you one more calculator finally, and then I will take your questions. I go to SWP again, and I use this bank FD versus mutual fund SWP. Some people who are trying to do bank FD for their monthly withdrawal, let's say they invest 3 crores, and I always talk about big amount. In my presentation, मैं आपको बड़ा-बड़ा फिगर दिखाता हूं. क्यों दिखाता हूं? क्योंकि आपकी सोच बड़ी बने. आपको ये नहीं लगना चाहिए कि 20 लाख का बात कर क्यों नहीं करता ब्रिजेश, 2 करोड़ की बात क्यों करता है? क्योंकि बात करने से बात बनती है. Because when you talk, law of attraction happens. So I don't talk about small amounts. Let's say investment period of 5 years. You use this calculator. Fixed deposit return 5%, fund return 6%, withdrawal mode monthly, inflation 6%, tax benefit inflation. This is not real inflation. This is the cost of inflation index 3%. Display benefit of debt funds, display tax calculation, calculate. Super fast, super easy. Now you see this. Client ने 3 करोड़ इन्वेस्टमेंट किया 5 साल के लिए. डेट फंड में महीने का 1,22,000 मिलेगा, सॉरी एफडी में, और डेट फंड में भी 1,22,000 मिलेगा. टोटल रिडेम्पशन डेट फंड और बैंक एफडी में सेम आएगा, लेकिन टैक्स पेबल देखो आप. टैक्स पेबल इन बैंक एफडी इज 22 लाख, इन डेट फंड इज 7,45,000. पोस्ट टैक्स रिपीट क्लाइंट को 14 लाख का फायदा होता है बैंक एफडी के अगेंस्ट में डेट फंड में डालने का. Now, when you show these reports to your HNI client, at least half of those clients will get converted into debt funds against bank FD. Try this. अभी क्या हो रहा है मालूम है? आप एफर्ट कर रहे हैं, दिन भर क्लाइंट से मिल रहे हैं. काफी मेंबर्स को हम जब फोन करते हैं ना, तो they say that they are not using the software because they don't have time. I tell my people to tell them that if you give 10 minutes to Masterstroke every day, you will save 2 hours of your time. You are making extra effort. We have done it all for you. And this is the annual tax and post-tax annual calculation. So cumulative tax saved in debt fund, 14,54,000 on 3 crores. If you show this data to the client, the chances are the client will invest. And then the comparison between bank fixed deposit and debt fund. Fantastic software. And this is a tax calculation sample. Everything we have given, everything you have. Sometimes, honestly, frankly, when I see my own software in Masterstroke, I feel delighted that we have really created something very wonderful for you to use and get business. And this is the calculation. If the client says, "ये calculation कैसे आया?" पूरा complete calculation का detail भी हमने यहाँ दे दिया. With this, I will stop here and I will stop the recording here. I hope you enjoyed this session. 475 people today joined. Right now, I can see 445 people online. Fantastic. Thank you so much for all your love and affection. And I'm stopping the recording and I will be here to answer all your questions. Thank you so much. If you want to become a member, do call us at 988-3818-627.